Hey everyone, Angela Sawsville, relationship expert and executive therapist here with you, checking in on all of those relationships that went through some knocks and dings during the pandemic and could probably use some repairs right about now. Here are 3 strategies that you and your partner can deploy at home during some controlled and meaningful dialogues. Step number 1, call out the largest resentment that each of you is holding on to. Name one, ask your partner to apologize for it, and then be willing to move forward. And of course, in turn, you also need to give your partner the space to name their biggest resentment against you. You need to take ownership of it and apologize for it. Strategy number 2, call out the old, outdated stories and beliefs that you have about each other. For example, maybe your partner will call you out on your old belief that they don't help out with the kids enough and challenge you to update that belief because lately they have been proving that they really help out quite a bit. It's really common in a relationship to need to kind of update our mental files about our partners and adjust these beliefs when they do become outdated. That ensures that we're seeing our partner's growth and evolution and appreciating their change and growth. Strategy number 3, set new intentions together as a couple. What is it that needs to be recalibrated, and what is it that's going to give your relationship the most meaning this year? Of all of the things that you can now do, now that you're free to move about the planet again, what matters most to the two of you? Get on the same page about intentions and pursue those together, because that in and of itself is tremendously connecting. Please feel free to like and share this on your feed, and I will see you next time.